Hi, and welcome back to the Bad Back Gardener YouTube channel. It's been a little while since I've done a video, so we're going to catch up with a fun little winter project here. Something you can do real easily at your house, and it doesn't cost that much, and it's real simple to grow. I've done another video similar to this, but I'm just going to show you this again as a fun little winter project for those who are itching to get out in gardening, but it's a little too cold out yet to do. So all I'm going to do today is I got a pot. I got some potting soil here. I use Happy Frog potting soil, and I really like it. It's really good stuff. So all I'm going to do is basically fill this up with potting soil, and then I have some onion bulbs that I actually had from last year that I never used, and they're still good, still solid yet, still looking healthy enough to plant yet. They haven't rotted away, so I'm going to use those and plant some onions and grow them inside. Get some fresh vegetables. You can either pull the whole onion up and eat it that way, or you can just cut the tops off and they'll continue growing, and just use the green onions as chives, or use them in salsa, or whatever you want to use the green part of the onions in. So we'll get started by filling the pot up here with some soil. You don't need a whole lot, just filling it up here to about 1 inch from the top is all I'm doing. Simple as that. And you're just going to take your onions, space them out. You can space them out every few inches. You can put as many or as little as you like in here, but pull these up, just plant them. Now your garden centers this time of year may be starting to get these onion sets in, these onion bulbs. They'll be getting these in really quickly here. But if you cannot get to these out of the garden center first, what you can do is go to any of the supermarkets, any of the superstores, and buy the packages of green onions. Bring them home, cut the tips off about 1/2 inch up, and you'll see they'll have little roots coming out of them, projecting out of them, and you cut the tips off and plant those, and they will come up also, and they'll grow new onions out of those as well. So it's kind of a neat little fun project you can do. And so if you can see that, that's all I did for that. So you want to put this one has holes in it. You want something with some drainage, but I'll put it in a saucer, so any overflow that runs out, I'll water that real good. Just put it in the windowsill, or if you have grow lights like I do, or even a highlighted area that has a lot of light to it, they'll come up. Now, I planted one of these last Saturday, about a week ago, and I'll show you this is what I've got so far with it. So it's come up pretty quick with that, if you can see that. And I've been water a little bit out here, but so they're coming up real nice. Be able to either harvest an onion or just harvest the green tops. So just a fun little project that you can do here in the winter time. You can either do it with bulbs that you can find at the store if you have any left over from last year, or you can plant them from seed actually, but you can also go to the store and just find the some green onions in the vegetable aisle and cut off the tips and use them. So that's going to do for this quick video here from the Bad Back Gardener YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can always email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.